Hi guys, I'm Prashanti and you're watching Cook with Prashanti. Today I'm here with street style chilled badam milk recipe for you all in this summer. First, take a bowl. Take 1 tablespoon of vanilla custard powder, 1/4 cup of badam drink mix. I'm using Desi Kitchen's badam drink mix. Now set aside and take another vessel. Pour 1/4 cup of water, 500 ml of fresh milk and bring it to a boil. Once the milk is heated, take half cup of the milk into the bowl in which we added vanilla custard powder and badam drink mix powder and mix it such that there are no lumps formed and set aside. As shown in the video. Now, once the milk is rolling boiling, at that stage, gradually add the mixture which we prepared and stir continuously. Now further cook it for or boil it for 2 to 4 minutes and you can find that the consistency of the milk has changed. At that stage, check the sweetness of the badam milk and adjust it as per your preference by adding sugar. Here I have added 2 tablespoons of sugar and our badam drink mix also contains sugar. So 2 tablespoons was enough for me. Now after all the sugar is melted, turn off the flame and let it cool to room temperature. Once it cools to room temperature, place it in the fridge for 1 or 2 hours before you serve. Give it a good mix. This quantity serves 2 or 3 glasses of badam milk. I hope you like this video. If yes, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Cook with Prashanti, and I will be back with more such interesting videos. Bye.